Please come. Please come. Oh, hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing fine. Sir, can you please speak loudly?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I have a beautiful shop and there are a lot of products. You can purchase anything. What do you want?
How much this watch?
Oh, this is a really good watch. It's expensive watch. This is the #1 brand in the world. Okay. So see the color and the build quality is very nice. So it's expensive. Have a look if you like, and I can just simply tell you the price. 50 taka? No, sir. This is expensive. You have to give me 5,000 at least.
100.
100 is impossible. It's 500 taka, please. Okay, so nice. Thank you very much, and you can just simply use it long time. It's a nice watch. Anything else you would like to purchase?
How much is it?
This pen. This is really a good pen, and you can just simply take with you, or you can just simply keep with you. The price is only 50 taka, please.
No,
This is
20.
the sign pen.
20.
20 taka, it is impossible. 30
No,
taka.
20.
30 taka.
20.
25 taka.
20.
Oh, no. Okay. Thank you, and good to see you, sir. Bye.
স্যার এইটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে সবচেয়ে সুন্দর ফেস
হাই